Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Today I am introducing our local food discovery app, a platform designed to help users find authentic local food through a map-based interface. So here is our executive summary. The app is aimed at tourists and food lovers looking for local vendors, hidden spots and popular eateries. Key features including a location-based search to help users discover food based on location, price and cuisine. We also have community-driven reviews, photos and food experience to guide users. This app not only help users but also support local food vendors by providing them digital visibility. Our vision is to become the top platform for discovering authentic local food experience, while our mission is to help users find local food easily and empower vendors with marketing opportunities. Our objective are to raise awareness of local food culture, provide a reliable tool for food lovers and create a sustainable platform that benefit both users and vendors. In the short term, we also build a strong user base and onboard local food vendors. For the long term, we plan to expand the app to multiple cities and regions, become a trusted food discovery platform. We also have a monetization strategy where local vendors can pay to promote their stalls, ensuring a steady revenue growth as user engagement increases. Next, let's take a look at business description. Our main problem we're solving is that tourists and food lovers often struggle to find authentic local food, especially from smaller or hidden vendors. Our solution is an app with a map-based interface and real community reviews, helping users discover local food spots that reflect the culture. What sets us apart is our unique selling point. We focus on genuine user experience rather than sponsored content. This makes our platform more authentic and community driven. Our target market includes tourists and food lovers who are looking for new food experience and prefer using mobile apps for navigation, dining and travel.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Niraiza bin Abdullah, number matric 309732. Let's continue at market analysis. Let's look at the industry market research. Market size. Globally, the hyperlocal food delivery market hit nearly $486 billion in 2024. Right here in Malaysia, the opportunity is massive. The market is projected to reach $3.22 billion in 2025 and soar to over $5 billion by 2030. Think about how we behave today, especially for Gen Z. If it's not on an app, it almost does not exist. We rely on digital platform to find location, read reviews, and decide we have where to eat before we even leave the house. But there is a gap. There are thousands of local traders, stalls, warungs, and hidden gems that aren't on the big platform. This is our sweet spot. The local food discovery app bridges the gap, bringing all the local food information into one place. So what is the growth potential? It's high. People are craving authentic, traditional foods. They want to explore unique venture that the big app ignore. And they want to support local business. By connecting these eager foodies with local merchants and expanding with features like review and location-based recommendations, we aren't just building an app, that we are capturing a market that is ready to explore. Next, key trends and opportunity. First, people now prefer to watch video and pictures. Why? Current trend shows that users, especially young people, are lazy to read long, drawn-out reviews. They only trust short videos or pictures of foods that look delicious, like the video that are viral on TikTok and Instagram. This is a big opportunity for this app to use the look first then eat approach by displaying short video and high-quality pictures, allowing users to dine before making a decision compared to all apps that are full of boring text to read. Second, find hidden gems and authentic food. Many people nowadays are getting tired of fast food or Western food or regular franchise store. Now, the trend of user is to find hidden eaters or aesthetic roadside store that offer an authentic village feel. This problem is these unique shops are hard to find on Google Maps. This application can fill this void by being an expert in tracking and listing legendary shops that few people know about it. Third is helping small business go online. Most small-scale vendor or hawker are still not very tech-savvy. They are also less able to afford the expensive advertising costs or high commissions charged by large food delivery apps. This gives this app the opportunity to offer a cheap and easy marketing platform, especially for small-scale vendors, so they can be known by many without burdening their pockets. Lastly, more specific food search. Map apps like Google Maps often provide overall general suggestion. Today, users want more precise search based on their taste or needs. For example, a university students might want to find a budget rice shops under 10 ringgit or a late night hangout spot. This app can capitalize on this opportunity by providing a very specific search filter button that other competitors do not provide. Next is competitor analysis. Direct competitors like GrabFood, a very popular platform for ordering and delivering food. This app displays a list of nearby restaurants complete with menus and price. But the main focus of this app is on delivery and commercial restaurants. And then the Food Panda. This app makes it easy for users to order food online. Although this app has a wide selection of restaurants, most of them are franchise or well-known store, but the price in this app are often a little more expensive than the store price. Next, indirect competitors. First, Google Maps. The biggest competitor. Most people use this by default because it combines image and location for the place. But this application is too general because it mixes all types of shops such as workshops, gas stations, clinics and other. Then TikTok or Instagram. This competitor is as strong in visual as video. Many young people use this application to find their food by searching and watching reviews from influencers. However, the downside is the limited search function. And then the last is food blog and YouTube food vlogger. This app provides more detailed reviews of a food or place to eat. However, this content is usually individual, not updated consistently and not on a single centralized platform. Next is SWOT analysis. First, strengths. This application focuses especially on hyperlocal food. Unlike general competitors such as Google Maps, this application is designed especially for foodies who love and search for local food. This allows this application to offer features such as dish recommendations that user must try. In addition, this application builds an active local user community, making the reviews and recommendations in this application more transparent, honest and trustworthy. Compared to the random review on global platform, this application also provides opportunities and highlights small traders and street vendors who often do not have the budget for marketing on expensive food delivery platform. Second is weaknesses. As a new business, this app may lack brand awareness and local outlet in the early stage. This app will look empty without sufficient user reviews and the beginning of its operation. Apart from financial and technical resources, this app has a limited budget compared to popular apps such as Grab and Food Panda, which may be a competitor to this app to run large-scale marketing campaigns. Third is opportunity. There is a high opportunity to grow this app by introducing a reward system such as digital badge or top tester status to encourage users to write quality and positive reviews. In addition, there is potential for strategic collaboration with state tourist board to promote jejak makanan, which will make this app an official digital guide for tourists looking to find easily accessible and reliable food. The app also look at revenue opportunity through low-cost advertising targeted at small trader and local trader who are short on capital. This allows this trader to promote special menu or limited friendly offer to use to user near their location. Lastly, threats. These business compete with larger platforms like GrabFood or Foodpanda that have the resources to quickly replicate the app's unique features if it's proved successful. In addition, the app will be less threatened by changing user behavior that will leave less than favorable comments or review, and some users prefer to find place to eat through short video on TikTok and Instagram from their favorite influencer rather than downloading a dedicated food search app. There is also the risk that user may be reluctant to install new apps on their smartphones.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Ali Atika binti Ibrahim and my metric number is 295590. Now I will continue with marketing and sales strategy. Our marketing and sales strategy targets two key groups, which are tourists and food lovers, as well as local food vendors. We focus on strong brand positioning, digital first promotion, strategic partnership, and scalable sales channels to achieve sustainable growth and long-term revenue. For branding and positioning, the platform is positioned as a trusted local food companion that helps travelers discover authentic local food experience. We deliberately avoid commercial through tourist-focused restaurants. Our positioning statement is discover real local food wherever you travel. Our brand is built on 4 core values. The first one is authenticity, ensure true local food experience. Second, trust is created through community and verify user reviews. Third, convenience comes from easy to use map-based navigation. And the last one is community support help local food vendor group. For advertising and promotion campaigns, we use a digital-first, experience-driven advertising approach. Our promotion focuses on visual storytelling, user-generated content, and active community engagement to build credibility and emotional connection. For the first one is digital marketing campaigns. Our digital marketing includes social media campaigns on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook, featuring short food videos and hidden local spot. We collaborate with food bloggers and travel influencers for reviews and live content. Content marketing includes blog and short videos such as city-based top local foods to try. Second, user engagement promotion. We encourage user participation through a referral reward program offering points, discounts, and in-app rewards. Gamification elements such as badges for reviews, photos, and discoveries increase engagement. Seasonal campaigns run during holidays and peak tourist periods. And the last one is vendor-focused promotions. To trade vendors, we offer free trial promote listings for new partners and discounted advertising package for small businesses. This incentive encourage vendor adoption and long-term partnership. For distribution channels, the platform is distributed digitally to ensure low cost and wide reach. Our primary distribution channels are the Google Play Store for Android users and the Apple App Store for iOS users. For our secondary distribution channels include the official website with direct download link and QR code placed at tourist attractions, hotels, and food courts. We also partner with tourist office and travel agencies to expand reach. For seller strategy, the app is free for consumer to use. Revenue is generated through B2B, which is business-to-business partnership, with a primary focus on local food vendors. For the first one is direct sellers to food vendors. We offer paid promotional service such as promote listing, feature map placements, and sponsor recommendations. Our sales team focuses on food street, tourist hotspot, and high traffic areas. Second, partnership strategy. We form partnership with local vendors, cafes, tourist boards, hotels, and travel agencies. We also collaborate with food festivals and local events to offer bundled promotional package. And the last one is advertising revenue model. Our advertising model include location-based in-app advertising and sponsor food suggestion. Advertising tolerate to use preference and real-time location using data-driven targeting and to maximize vendor return on investment. Next, operational plan. The operational plan ensures smooth daily operation while supporting long-term scalability. It focuses on app performance, service quality, and both user and vendor satisfaction to enable sustainable platform growth. Key operational activities include application development and maintenance, platform management and service delivery, content moderation and quality assurance, and continuous customer and vendor support. For the first one is application development and maintenance. The application will receive regular updates and feature improvement. This include bug fix, security updates, and enhancement to search filters, map accuracy, and the user interface. Compatibility testing will be conducted for both Android and iOS devices. Second, service delivery and platform management. The platform provides real-time display of nearby food vendors using GPS and interactive maps. User reviews, ratings, and photos are managed regularly, and vendor information is continuously updated to ensure accuracy. Third, content moderation and quality assurance. User-generated content is monitored to maintain quality and trust. Fake or inappropriate reviews are removed. Vendors are verified before approval, and community guidelines are strictly enforced to ensure platform credibility. And the last one is customer and vendor support. Customer and vendor support include timely responses to inquiries, technical assistance for app usage, vendor onboarding support, and help with promoted listings. This builds strong long-term relationship with vendors. For technology requirements, the platform requires Android and iOS mobile applications supported by a cloud-based back-end system. A secure data store user profiles, vendor data, and reviews. GPS integration, analytic tools, and strong security measures such as data encryption and user authentication are essential. For human resource requirement, the team include a software developer for app update and an operation manager for daily operation and vendor coordination, a marketing executive for promotions, a content moderator for quality control, and a customer support officer for user and vendor assistance. Workflow processes and timeline. For the first one is user workflow. Users download the apps and register. The GPS detect their location and display nearby food vendors on a map. Users can view reviews, ratings, and photos and submit reviews after their visit. Second, vendor workflow process. Vendor register on the platform and undergo business verification. Once approved, their profile are published. Vendors can optional for promote listings and advertisement and access performance analytics. And the last one is operational timeline. Daily activities include system monitoring, content moderation, and customer support. Weekly tasks involve vendor onboarding, bug fix, and operational reviews. Monthly activities include feature update and performance analysis, while quarterly reviews focus on strategic planning and scalability. For physical infrastructure, operations are supported by a small office or co-working space equipped with computers, mobile device, testing tools, and high-speed internet connectivities. And for the digital infrastructure, the platform uses cloud hosting for scalability and reliability. Secure cloud storage, automated backups, disaster recovery system, and cyber security ensure data protection and compliance with privacy standards. That's all from me. Thank you.
Now I will present section 6, which is the financial plan for our local food discovery app. This section covers the startup cost, revenue model, profit and loss projection, and funding requirement. For the startup cost, the total estimate cost required is RM13,000. The higher cost is for mobile app development, including UI and UX, back-end development and testing. Other costs include cloud hosting, software license, marketing, and operational expenses. This shows that most of the budget is focused building a stable and functional system. Next is the revenue model. The local food discovery app uses a freemium model where users can use basic features for free. Revenue is generated from promote vendor listing, in-app advertising, and premium vendor subscription in the future. Next, the slide shows the profit and loss projection from year 1 to year 3. Revenue increase every year, while expenses increase at a control rate. As a result, the business is expected to make a net profit starting from year 1 and profit continue to grow in the following years, year 2 and year 3. Last slide is funding requirements. For funding requirement, the project requires an initial capital of RM3,000. 60% of the funding is allocated to system development, 25% to marketing, and 15% to operation. In conclusion, the financial plan shows that the project is financially feasible and sustainable in the long term. That's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Ayu Azmira binti Muhammad Rasulin. My nomometry is 291678. I represent about team structure. First, we have organizational chart for local food discovery app. This is the team structure for Bull Deal Business. We have a 5 structure. First, we have Khairul Nasiha as a CEO. Second, we have Anis Wardina as a finance. Third, we have Nur Ali Atika as a marketing executive. Fourth, we have Muhammad Ani is a mobile app development. And the last one is Nur Ayu Azmira is a food operation manager. This is a role, skill and experience and contribution for the team structure. We have a 5 team structure. First, we have CEO. The role is to oversees the overall business direction for project planning and growth of the company. It's a main point and main role in a business because it's CEO. Next, we have skill and experience. For CEO, you must have a leadership, basic business management, and decision making for the all business tasks and contribution to apps meet business goal to manage timeline and coordinate the team for be a good in the business and to make a grow in the business. Second is a finance. The role is to manage financial record and daily operation for the business. And skill and experience, they have basic accounting and budget for all the operation. And the contribution is a control expensive and manage a review from 8. We must manage a financial the good for make a business be a run a smooth. Third is a marketing executive. The role is to promote the ad, manage, advertise, and promote listing. And skill and experience they have a digital marketing, strategy, and customer relation. Because to make a more revenue for the business, we have a marketing executive to promote this. And the last is a contribution, is a attract user and food founder and manage it and generate the revenue because this is important for make a money. 4 is a mobile app development. The role is to develop and maintain the mobile application because because the main role for this business is for application local discovery food. So it's most important to have a structure like mobile apps development. They have a skill like mobile app development, UI or UX design, and database integration. The contribute is a build the map based on Food Finder, integrate community review, and ensure the app functions smoothly. Because this is important to make a business be a run good and for all users to use this. The last one is a food operation manager. The role is to oversee all the food related content operation on the platform, including food listing, review, and user engagement to ensure smooth coordination between content creation and community interaction. And the skill, we have a communication and social media handling, analytical skill to monitor user engagement and content performance, and contribution to maintain accurate up-to-date food information, enhance user experience connecting content, and engage a food-loving community. Because when we have a up-to-date food in the apps, they can make a user to be more to find the food discover and the viral. Next is a risk analysis and contingency plan for this business. Next is the risk analysis and contingency plan. First, we have a market at risk. The risk is a low number of users and low interest in the using the apps. Then we have a contingency plan to do increase digital marketing through social media and collaboration with food influencer. Second, we will offer promotions such as listing or reward point for early user. Second is the operational risk, a technical issues such as bug, crash, and map inaccurate in the application. So the contingency plan, we will conduct regular testing and update the apps. And second, we have a keep up backup system and quick bug fix response plan. Then the 3 is a competition risk. The risk is competition for existing food in the app and social media platform like a Grab, Shopee Food. But in a contingency plan, we will do a driven by focusing on local food and hidden gems and community review. Then second, we will provide exclusive features such as verify local weather, and personalized recommendation. Fourth is a financial risk. This is a risiko. There will be a for modal, will a mobile development revenue from ad and format listing. This is use so many money to build this one. But we have a contingency plan to introduce additional revenue models as a premium vendor association. And second, we will control operation costs and focus on gradually scaling. Then the last one is data and trust risk. This affect review or inaccurate food listing. Then contingency plan will be to implement review moderation and reporting feature and allow only user window to post listing. This is a risk and contingency plan that we have for our business. Then that's all from me. Thank you.